Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today, I'm going to be drawing a cool cat eye with color. I used a whole bunch of materials that I'll tell you later for this video. Once again, you can use any materials that you want. You don't need to use the same as that I'm using. But I thank you guys all for your support, liking my videos, subscribing to my channel, and commenting. Any comment, I just love commenting when you guys give me feedback and then responding to your feedback. So if you have any feedback or tell me what I should draw for my next week or anything, just comment down below. Also, I'm doing a dragon video every once a month. I've told you in the past that I'm doing this, so it's the time of the month again. I will be posting a very cool dragon video as my next video after this one. So, back to the materials. I used a Copic marker for the base coat. This is like a more pale shade of brown for the base coat. Then I threw on a Prismacolor pencil base coat. This is, we're talking just about the fur of a dark bark brown. And then for the inner, like the main part of the eye, I used a Sharpie marker to add the 10 out of 10 darkness effect. Then after that, I used my Prismacolor pencils with had a whole different types of greens, browns, and yellows to add the really detailed effect of the eye. And then I used the Uni-Ball White Pen to go over the base coat on my fur to have the detail that I really like. The Uni-Ball White Pen is definitely my favorite tool to use. I will be using it almost every one of my drawings that involves colored. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video of a cat eye, and thank you so much for your support. So I hope you guys enjoyed this drawing of a cat eye. It was a very fun drawing to do. I love drawing it. And if you have any drawing recommendations that you want me to do, please comment down below. And also, hopefully you guys are going to like my dragon. I love doing these dragon videos. And if you like them too, tell me what dragons to draw. I have a whole bunch on the list. My next one is a sand, then a dragon. Then a glass dragon. They're piling up. I love drawing dragons. But you can hit up my Facebook, my Instagram, my Twitter, anything. And if you like these videos, hit that subscribe button. I will be posting every Monday and Friday. So thank you all. Have a great day.